Can go the first video. The first video will show you how to order. Yeah, thank you. So here this one, we're going to make it another ring. Here in UK it's $50 free shipping. Even your order not meet $50, the shipping cost is $5 only. $5 only for UK. Okay, so here we cut two piece in 20 centimeter as well. 20 centimeter, two piece. Okay, then here we fold it at the middle. Fold it at the middle here. And another one, fold it at the middle, the same. So both the two, we fold the wire at the middle here. Yes. Both the wire, we fold the piece at the middle. Then next we are going to use another piece of the wire also in the 0.6, or we can use a thinner wire to help. Thinner wire, we can use the 0.4. So it with the copper wire with the different size. So this one thinner. We use the 0.4 making this ring. It come out another one. So cut it at I cut about 30 centimeter. 30. Okay, here I'm going to tight the loop here. This one, tight it, and here we're going to use this wire. Put here. The short side come here, and the other side I'm going to tight. Use this 0.4 tight the wire here. Tight it 3 times. Okay, tight it. Okay. Then after tight, we can cut away the extra loop, extra tight wire. Then here, separate the wire here. Separate the each side 2 piece separate, and here the thinner wire come. Okay, string the beads. String the beads here. The beads on here. Okay, first one. Then come 2 wire to cover the beads. 2 wire cover the beads, and the wire go to cross. See, the wire go cross is come like this, and then here. So you will find I show the tutorial step by step. Before the 3 wire is very easy. Now it's come a little bit hard than the 3. So come here and wrap the cross part. Okay, then string the beads again. In my live streaming, you can learn how to making the jewelry, and you learn it step by step. I show the tutorial very slow. It's easy to follow here. Then this one. Okay, now go across, but we are not going to use the 2 wire. We come the other 2 to cross. Come the behind the 2 to cross, and cross the piece. Okay, cross the piece here. Wrap it here. This one, this ring I'm going to make it on size 7. Okay, then again here. So come this one here, and use the far away wire come to cover the beads. And the far away, you are not go from the bottom, you are always go from the up. So not come one from up, one from bottom. You must become all the 2 wire the up layer, up here. So the 2 down, the 2 up, the top on the top of another wire. Okay. So cross and wrap it tight. So here, then come the penton like here. All the technique I show here is not only making the ring. You can use the same technique make the bangle. Make the bangle, you can change the beads big, change the wire thick. Okay, so next, come the beads. Come the beads. Okay, then here the 2 wire also come from the top, go to the top. Here, cross and braid it here this way. Beads here and come here, the 2 piece here and cross. Okay, and wrap. Okay, come the beads here. This one cross and we come to wrap the piece. Okay, so it's step by step repeat. You just pay attention that the wire must be come all the same, the 2 wire far away on top come to cross the beads. Okay, yes, this design if make to a bangle, it will be beautiful as well. Okay, here then we go to use the thinner wire to wrap because I make a size 7, so I will stop it here now, make it in size 7. Okay, here I use the thinner wire, wrap it here. Okay, and then we cut away the extra thinner wire. Okay, here then the piece here we have 1 2 3 4 piece wire. I will use the wire this one to come to wrap it. Yeah, use this wire, this one first, come to wrap just 1 time. Okay, then cut it away. Thank you to type the screen, give me some free like. I know the people always forgot to type the screen when very carefully see the tutorial. Okay, then this one come here and we wrap. Yes, thank you. So it's here, and then we use the ring size sticker. Here it's going to be a size 7, pink with green. Okay, It seems make to size 7 is too big because here is near it too much touch. So I change my mind to make it a size 8. Next time, if you want to make a size 7, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You just use 6 beads is enough. I'm here use 7 beads. 7 beads make a size 8. Okay, so let's go through the wire inside the loop here, this way. Size 8. Okay, here. Then we take and we cut the wire near the node, so it's here, and tight. So if customer you already got the wire from my shop and you have the beads 2 millimeter or 3 millimeter, you can try this design. This design is okay with 3 millimeter or 2 millimeter beads. And for the bangle, also can be done by the bangle in this braid technique. Okay. Here. Okay, so it's a size 8. Thank you. This ring size 8 here. Pink